Hello everyone, my name is Indu Gone. I am working as DevOps Engineer at Coding Tutor. Today I will walk you through how to deploy an application using Build Server and Tomcat Server. Now let me explain about what is Maven and what is Tomcat. Maven is an open source tool where we can build an artifact, and Tomcat is an also open source where we can deploy an application. This is my Build Server and this is my Tomcat server. Now in Build Server I am doing update software. To update software, we have to use command sudo apt update -y. To build an artifact, we need Java and Maven. Check whether first Java is installed or not. So now we have to install Java. Now I am installing Maven. Check if Maven is installed or not. So to install Maven, the command is sudo apt install Maven. Now I am cloning the code from the GitHub. To clone the code from GitHub, the command is git clone URL. This is my application, online bookstore. Go inside that application. Now build an artifact. To build an artifact, the command is mvn package. My build got success. Now get ls. Here the target folder is came. Now go inside the target folder. Yeah, I got the war file. Now go to Tomcat server and install the Tomcat in Tomcat server. To install the Tomcat server, we have to go to Chrome and search for Tomcat download. I am taking 9th version. And this is my Tomcat server. In this also we have to update the software. Sudo apt update -y. Java is necessary for all the applications. Now install the Tomcat Tomcat application. I am using the tar file. To download the URL, we use the wget command and URL ls. Now compress the file by using the tar xvf apache ls. Now go inside the folder. Now let's start the Tomcat. Go to /bin folder and start the Tomcat. Now take the IP address of Tomcat server, and the default port number of Tomcat is 8080. Now my Tomcat server is running. We have to change some configurations in Tomcat. Go inside the conf. Edit the Tomcat user.xml file. Change the password to Tomcat. Now go inside the web folder, and here also we have to edit some configurations. To go inside the manager folder, we have to edit here. Uncomment the near valve. And same thing do in host manager also. Uncomment here also. Now go to web browser and open the manager app, refresh it. Now my password username is Tomcat and password also Tomcat. Just sign in. Now I am generating SSH keys to connect the two servers. Go inside the .ssh folder and take the public key and paste it in Tomcat server. And save it. By using HCP command, I am sending an artifact build server to Tomcat server. HCP first take the path of the where the artifact is stored. /home ubuntu. This is path where my artifact is stored, and I need to send here web apps. By using SCP command, I am sending an artifact build server to Tomcat server. Sudo SCP / copy this path and paste here. Ubuntu direct, and here we have to give the IP address of Tomcat server. Now give the path of Tomcat server, pwd. My artifact stored in Tomcat web apps. Now go and check in browser. Refresh it here. This is my application, and this is my final output where I deployed an application by using Tomcat, and then my application name is Online Bookstore. And thank you.